Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi chips. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on well-fermented kimchi for the best flavor profile. Next, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This makes cleanup a breeze. Finally, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for even baking. This initial setup is crucial for achieving perfectly crispy results. Now, let's get your kimchi ready. It's super important to drain any excess liquid from the kimchi. This step prevents your chips from becoming soggy. Then, carefully separate the kimchi leaves into individual pieces so they can dry evenly. Finally, use paper towels to pat the kimchi very dry. The drier the kimchi, the crispier your chips will be. It's time to bake. Arrange your prepared kimchi pieces in a single layer on the parchment-lined baking sheet, making sure they don't overlap. Bake them for 30 to 45 minutes, and remember to flip them halfway through for even crisping. You'll know they're done when they have crispy, slightly browned edges. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once baked, let your kimchi chips cool completely on a wire rack. This step is key for achieving maximum crispness. After they've cooled, store your delicious homemade kimchi chips in an airtight container to maintain their crunch. Now you're ready to enjoy your savory, crunchy, and incredibly satisfying kimchi chips. They make a fantastic snack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.